This is the multifunctional B-TOUR pushchair, a carrycot and stroller in one seat, as well as the travel system option. It's a model that grows with the child. Thanks to the B-TOUR pushchair, every day is a new adventure, and outings with it are now a real pleasure. A very long carrycot provides the baby with comfortable conditions. The pushchair is very easy to maneuver. It's very good for avoiding obstacles. And when I lock the wheels to drive straight, we'll be fine even on a cobbled street. The large, air-filled wheels with shock absorbers will do very well on all types of uneven surfaces, and your baby won't even feel the bumps. It started drizzling. Luckily, the hood in the pushchair is waterproof and can be extended. And there's a special cover for heavier rain. The set also includes accessories to make walks easier in all conditions. Lots of shopping? No problem. I'll fit in the roomy basket. We love our joint adventures and discovering new places. Time is flying by, and there's still so much more to see. This pushchair grows with the child. I can easily convert the carrycot into a stroller. Jump in. Now I'll just secure the safety harness and the bumper bar. Let's go. I can adjust the handle in the blink of an eye to make it comfortable for me. B-TOUR is very easy and pleasant to push. It's time for a break. Oh, my little tourist is tired. Shh. B-TOUR is so easy to adjust that it won't wake up my baby. Now he can take a comfortable nap. When the sun is shining brightly, I just extend the sunshade. And the large mesh panel ensures free airflow. Now it's time to relax and nap time is over. Time to go home. I can pack the pushchair into the car in just a few moments. It is so easy to fold. With B-TOUR, we're ready for new challenges. The set also includes the travel system.
Kinderkraft. Easy with kids.